guys, and welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I have a super special guest with me,
Misha. Today I'm gonna do my mom's makeup.
Do you have makeup look that you wanna do?
Yes.
What is
a
it?
Barbie look.
Do you have any picture that you wanna show them?
Yes. This picture.
Right here. Show them how close. So she's gonna do this look. But you said you want to do blue, but this is all pink. But it's up to you though. You can just follow, you know,
The steps.
Okay, you want me to hold it for you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is gonna be interesting.
I'm gonna share. Let's do makeup. Let's start doing makeup.
Okay,
First, I'm gonna do
this. It's called. Wait, there's like a freaking. There's a lashes behind. This is gonna be awesome, guys. Let me tie my hair.
Finish.
Okay, it's up to you. You're the one doing it. You're my makeup artist, okay? Are you gonna be makeup artist someday? No.
No, I'm gonna be a firefighter.
You're gonna be a firefighter. Okay. Why are you making fun of my face?
It's so tiny.
She's never done any makeup to anyone. This is gonna be your first time, actually. Oh boy. I don't know. You tell me.
No, we're the one who's owning.
No, but you. It's up to you. This is your thing. I'm letting you do my makeup.
I could do it.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Isn't it fun?
Mm-hmm. We're alike. We're sisters.
Are we?
Well, almost a little bit.
Why do you say so?
Because some people say that we look like sisters.
Right? Yeah, some people said that.
Because we're alike.
No,
But
because
we're different. Because our skins are different. But we have the same hair.
alright.
Same eyes. Same...
I? Only one?
no, eyes. And eyebrows.
What about nose?
Yeah.
Go! Keep doing it, babe! Tagal naman.
I'm
Make it
big.
so...
I'm big.
It's what?
You have a gray hair.
Where? Where's my gray hair?
No gray.
Oh, eyebrows. Okay, now you have to show them. Morphe James Charles
Charles.
eye palette. And what color are you gonna use? Tell them which one you like.
Which one?
Dirty.
Blue.
Blue. Alright.
I don't know. Kind
There's
of. This one.
This one?
Yeah.
This color. She said she likes this one.
Because
Okay.
it's glittery. It's Maybelline.
It's Maybelline what?
Maybelline New York.
Yeah, okay. You have to do my brows, but can you do it good?
Yeah.
I'm forgetting my hair.
Here. Okay.
You know what next? You have to show them how to do your own makeup. You have to do your makeup too. You should have your own glove. Right?
Pink.
What about
Purple.
purple? You know what? That's exactly what I'm thinking too.
And then we're gonna surprise Daddy. Yeah.
This pink.
Yeah. We're gonna surprise Daddy.
Yeah.
By the way, Daddy's in the gym right now, so
Working out.
I want him to see it first before I see it.
Uh-huh.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Am I gonna be like, wow, this is the exact look that I really wanted. I can't create this kind of look. Are you
That's
sure?
it, and then
We're gonna do the eyeliner.
yeah.
I don't want to see. I'm not looking. I cannot look because it's a surprise. Okay, you have to do my eyeliner. Oh my god. Okay, you have to do it like this. Is it a line?
Yeah.
Are you sure? It's like you're creating a star or something. Are you do? Kabila. Why are you laughing? Yeah! Yuck! Your lava! Your saliva! Okay, what's next? I can't look. What's next? We're gonna do the what? The oh, mascara.
That's
Okay.
what.
Don't poke my eyes. Okay. What do I do?
Push.
Close my eyes. Okay.
Ouch!
Should I open my eyes now?
Yeah.
I didn't see myself.
This is
What?
this Juvia's place, and I'll put this color,
What's the name of it?
Sola.
Sola.
Yeah.
Okay. What am I doing?
It's for this.
Okay. That's good. There you go. And this is gonna be the final.
Yep. Final shot.
Final shot.
Still not looking.
I didn't look.
No.
What do I do? Do I have to pat my lips?
That's good. Let's go. Let's go to Papa. Papa. Show it to Papa.
You forgot to put the glitter.
Oh, glitter.
Wow. I think it's gonna be good. Do I look like Barbie now?
Yes.
Exactly like Barbie. Should I put my hair down?
Yes.
I close my eyes.
No. Where is he? Oh, there he is. I have a surprise for you. Dad. Dad. I have a surprise for you. Come. Come see this.
What's that?
I put Mama's makeup on.
Mama's makeup? Aw.
Let's go. Close your eyes. Open it. Open.
What does it look?
Look.
She said I look like Barbie.
Look.
Yeah.
Do I look like Barbie?
Yeah, look.
Halloween. You did that? That's really good.
I didn't look at it. She was just doing.
You could do extreme makeup.
Okay, guys. I guess she did real bad. What do you think, baby?
I like it.
Would you go to
You
date?
look funny, Mama. You look funny.
No, but you look funny.
No, we're gonna go
You
on
look like
date.
the Joker.
Oh my god. This could be a Joker look.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Good job, Nisha.
I tricked you. I did too good. I'm not good at it.
So guys, what do you guys think about my makeup look?
Is it real bad or good?
I think it's really, really good.
What? Well, My mom's gonna do 3 stars.
Only 3 stars?
Or 5. I don't know. London. London.
London! Hi, baby! Let's see what London thinks. London! London! Oh my goodness.
Look at them here.
That's it for Misha's makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys learned something from her. And let us know if you want to see more on Misha's videos or Misha's vlog or what else do you want to see. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Adios. London.
Adios, amigos.
Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye.